Hey guys, so the garage man, no, the garbage man is coming. So yeah, it's about to get loud. Whoa, that looks cool. Never really been outside while they have done this. Sorry if you can't hear me. Oh, come on. Make a video. I'm outside, so. Okay, so let's start off with the first line, which is right here. And this is in the refrigerator. So yeah. It used to be like really sticky, but now it's like a little sticky because I've been like redoing this video 3 times already. So yeah. So this is really good slime. Oh, finally. Boy. Oh my gosh, that took forever. Here, I'm gonna scoot you guys up so it look a little better. So it's really good slime to do swirls with. And let's test out those Pocolos. Oh my gosh. I hate that there's background noise, guys, and you will probably hate me for it, but I mean, I'm not allowed to play with slime inside my grandma's house because we have to live with her until we build a house, and we're building a house 2 doors down. And if you know why they call it 2 doors down, put it in the comments below. So, these are like, let's hear the Pocolos, so. Hopefully you guys can hear that. I can hear it like loud. Oh, here he comes. Okay. So he's about to come through. So yeah, but these have good Pocolos. That's good Pocolos, so I'm gonna give that slime, and you guys comment the rating of each slime. So this is like a green dark apple slime. Like, it's like, I'm sorry, it like smells really bad because of that garbage truck. So I'll come back when he leaves. Oh my gosh, guys, it smells so horrible. That's nasty. Okay, well, this is my coral slime. Okay, he's coming. Bye. Well, he's trying to get around that circle, but like, yeah. This is my coral slime, and it's like a kind of putty kind of slime, but like, because it's stretchy. But yeah. Oh, and so my favorite slime is Fluffy, which I make it with glue, shaving cream, and contact solution. If you have another wafer that you do or that you would like me to try out in a video, then comment down below. Yeah. So yeah. Now, so I really like it. It used to be like really, really good, but over time slime gets bad, and like that just smells so nasty. He's getting closer and closer, but he's like faking it. It's like so weird. It smells like really bad. I don't know what he's doing. So my next slime is blue, and it's a pretty good slime, and it's really stretchy. It's really small. So yeah.
Why is that too plastic?
And yeah. So this is like really stretchy, and it's really small because it just got really small and it deflated and stuff, but none of these other ones have deflated yet, just this one. And I lost a little bit because of people touching it, and then being so sad because, okay, next one is this blue, pretty light blue with glitter in it, maybe. Ooh, you guys can see that. And it's like putty, it's not slime. So if I said slime, I'm sorry, this is like putty. And I'm not even saying it's close to slime. If you guys think it is, then you'll like probably be like, nah, girl. So this is like really hard to stretch. And yeah, so this slime, so yeah, and I'll tell you which one's my favorite. So my first favorite type of slime is fluffy, and then edible, and then crunchy, then foam, and then jiggly. Jiggly is like the worst slime ever. I hate it. It's so unsatisfying. Because it doesn't stick to itself. It doesn't do pretty good pocolos. It doesn't stretch at all. And yeah, so those are my thing, and so this is my favorite slime that we have, that I have made so far. And yesterday I bought a gallon of glue, 2 bottles of shaving cream, and I bought some contact solution. So yeah. Oh, this is so nice, guys. I mean, like, it's so nice. It's so nice. It's so nice. Okay, so yeah, guys. So this is my favorite slime out of all of them, and yeah. And it has super good pocolos. Look how stretchy it is. And plus, look how good this swirls. I messed it up, but like, yeah, let me do like a retake. No, I messed it up. I pulled it over, so. Look, it's so cool, and yeah. So guys, that is my slime update for my life. So like, I've just been here chilling, and I have not been looking at videos because I live here, and like, we're not on our phones as much as we were at our old house because there's like a lot of things to do here, and yeah, and plus we have school. I was filming, and I wasn't filming in the summer because like we were moving, but I did do a lot of musicals and stuff, and yeah, I've gotten less interested in the internet, maybe? No, I've gotten less interested in like internet. I mean, yeah, but guys, if I can even post this video, I don't know, because it's like we're not even allowed to use their Wi-Fi because like they do not have unlimited Wi-Fi like we used to have. But now that we live here, we can't use Addison 1 password, so I can tell you anything where I used to live, but like, don't stalk people, so I'm not gonna tell you, because some people are like just stalkers, and like some people are just stalkers of like nothing. Like there's.
Okay, Addison, last call. You going or not?
Bye guys. Hope you liked it.